ऑरेंज इज द न्यू ब्लैक। इन केस आप सोच रहे हैं मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, 2018 में ऑटोमोटिव दुनिया में अगर किसी एक रंग ने तहलका मचा दिया है, इट हैज टू बी ऑरेंज। Don't believe me? Take a look at Royal Enfield की brand new Interceptor 650 bike. It's orange. Take a look at the brand new Tata Harrier. It's orange. Take a look at the brand new Hyundai Creta. It's orange. Take a look at this show. Orange is the new black. It's orange. Take a look at ना ये वो नेशन वॉन्ट्स टू नो वाला शो नहीं है, तो उस ऑरेंज को थोड़ा साइड में कर देते हैं। But the phone that I am unboxing today is also shockingly orange, and not just any other orange, papaya orange. The orange जिसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेशुमार और पॉपुलर बनाया मैक्लारन ने। मैक्लारन कौन है? ब्रिटिश कार रेसिंग ब्रांड है जिसने फॉर्मूला 1 में एंड ऑटोमोटिव दुनिया में गजब की टेक्नोलॉजी इंट्रोड्यूस की है एंड गजब की मशहूरता भी हासिल की हुई है। In case you were wondering कि speed या फिर amazing automotive technology is equal to Ferrari, you clearly haven't heard of two words, McLaren P1. In fact, ये इतनी तेज गाड़ी है कि His Holiness जेरेमी क्लार्कसन, जी हाँ टॉप गियर के जो होस्ट है, उन्होंने McLaren P1 को नाम दिया था The Widow Maker. Take a look at this. Okay, after that crash course in McLaren and McLaren P1, it's time to unbox the latest version of OnePlus 60 जो एक collaboration है McLaren के साथ. That's right, OnePlus 60 is out with a McLaren Edition. So, orange box, orange blade, let's cut it out. Just for reference, we have the regular thunder purple version of the OnePlus 60 right here, which is already out in the market. And right off the bat, you see big, bold, screaming salute to speed. Because पहली बार किसी भी स्मार्टफोन में, well, technically second time क्योंकि Xiaomi Mi Mix पे already ये feature है, but Mi Mix तो इंडिया में बिकता नहीं है, Mi Mix 3. 10 GB of RAM, that's what I'm talking about. 10 GB RAM, 256 GB of ROM. That is the headline in terms of memory and specifications. OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition mein. All right, so let's pop this up. I am an absolute fan of bright colors like orange and yellow, so completely love this. This goes right here. You have a carbon fiber like finish right on the box, a material जो McLaren के Formula 1 cars में and road ready production cars में भी इस्तेमाल होता है. Well, let's see if it's in the box as well, on the phone as well. Okay, you open it up and you have fast and smooth written here. Loving the amount of tease that they're giving. And what you see is also a motif जो McLaren cars में आपको दिखाई देता है. If you know what I'm talking about, this is a motif. यहाँ लिखा है proudly manufactured under license from McLaren Racing Limited. McLaren is the trademark of McLaren Racing Limited. And here we go. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. A lot of cool new things. Okay, first up is what you have is this launch book. Ooh, beautiful. A product manual of sorts. अगर आप गाड़ियों के शौकीन हैं, if you're an automotive fan, fanboy, fangirl, अगर आप speed के शौकीन हैं, then this is something that's totally, completely gonna get your fancy. This is beautiful. I never, ever care about phone manuals or instruction manuals, but the McLaren Edition is something that I'm really going to keep it in my house. Okay, now OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition के highlights क्या है? Inspired by Formula 1, McLaren Papaya Orange and carbon fiber speed design. Okay, there's 10 gigabytes of RAM, obnoxious amount of RAM, 10 GB of RAM. 2018, we are doing this. Okay. Do you need it? Absolutely not. But hey, engineers can put it in, so why not? Qualcomm का Snapdragon 845 जो top of the line processor है, जो 19-20 हजार रुपए के पोको फोन F1 में भी आता है, and top of the line आपके Pixels and Galaxy Note 9 and all of these उसमें भी है. And of course OnePlus 6T का ये key feature है. That's there. You've got over 500 software optimizations and counting apparently on the Oxygen OS. There's Warp Charge 30, which means 30 watt का जो चार्जर है. The earlier charger used to be a 20 watt charger जो dash charge बुलाया करते थे. They cannot use the word dash anymore because of a lawsuit, so they are now calling it warp charge. ये दावा करता है कि जो 3700 मिली एम्प पावर की बैटरी है ये 50% चार्ज हो जाती है सिर्फ लगभग 20 मिनट के अंदर. दैट इज रिमार्केबल. स्क्रीन अनलॉक, फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर स्क्रीन के अंदर ही लगाया हुआ है एंड कम्युनिटी बिल्ट. Okay, so that is a tiny booklet. This is beautiful. Now, this is not the first time कि कोई फोन कंपनी ने किसी ऑटो कंपनी के साथ कोलैबोरेट करके वर्जन निकाला है. Of course, you have Lamborghini Edition phones, you have Porsche Edition जो BlackBerry phones आया करते थे. And so you know this is a very very natural progression or a natural partnership between a very very cool aspirational auto brand और एक tech brand के बीच में. OnePlus के लिए ये पहली बार है जो किसी ऑटो कंपनी के साथ ये कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं, पार्टनरशिप कर रहे हैं. पिछले साल आपको याद होगा जब OnePlus का Avengers version आया था. That's right, that was the big deal with OP6, the Avengers edition that had come, जिसमें carbon fiber back था, A का monogram था जो Avengers का logo था, and there were some really cool knickknacks inside the box, including this really cool medal and things like that. Okay, so right out of the box, before I bring out the phone, two big changes. जो इनका चार्जिंग अडेप्टर होता है जो नॉर्मली व्हाइट कलर का होता है विथ रेड. Of course, the papaya orange color scheme continues here as well. And what you now have is this nice 30 watt charging power brick with orange accents, right? And oh my god, the biggest brand departure OnePlus के लिए है उनका जो रेड केबल आता था, जो चार्जिंग केबल, जो सिग्नेचर OnePlus रेड चार्जिंग केबल था, वो अब ब्रेडेड ऑरेंज में आने वाला है, पपाया ऑरेंज. आई एम लविंग हाउ नाइस एंड ब्राइट दिस इज. ऑब्वियसली आपके हैंडबैग्स या आपके बैकपैक्स के समंदर ऑफ थिंग्स में ये आसानी से आपको मिल सकता है. एंड इट्स ब्रेडेड, सो आई एम गेसिंग इट इज अ लॉट मोर ड्यूरेबल देन योर रेगुलर जो रबर वाले कवरिंग होते हैं, कोटिंग होते हैं. Another thing that you have right here which also has an orange accent is this tiny little dongle, which is of course क्योंकि OnePlus 6T में headphone jack नहीं है, so you have a USB-C to 3.5 mm female input right here. This is a dongle. अगर आप अपने wired earphones इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं. Remember OnePlus कभी भी अपने फोन बॉक्स के अंदर बंडल्ड ईयरफोन्स या हेडफोन्स नहीं देता है. इट्स अ कंप्लेंट दैट आई हैव फ्रॉम अ प्रीमियम फोन मेकर लाइक दिस. सो लेट्स कीप दिस हियर एंड लेट्स ब्रिंग आउट द फोन इटसेल्फ. Okay, where's the phone? Because this is just the carbon fiber case. As you can see, there's the carbon fiber pattern here. This is the phone case. It's got McLaren branding right here. Okay, so what you have right here is a little piece of the MCL 33 edition car जो 2018 के Formula 1 Championship में McLaren की official car है. Now, some of it could just be marketing, but it's like you holding a piece of the Formula 1 McLaren car that competed in 2018. So, precious indeed. Okay, where's the phone, guys? Hello? Where is the phone? Let's check the box again. I mean the manual. Oh, right here. Speed meets speed. That is very cleverly concealed, and the phone is right there. My God, I almost tossed the manual aside. That would have been expensive. All right. Here we go. Pilot the world's fastest daily driver. A lot of clever lines, OnePlus. Nicely done. Okay, right off the bat, I can tell you. This is a black phone with carbon fiber imprint on it. Warp charge यहाँ पे clearly लिखा है. The 30 watt charger, that is the big highlight. Let's just keep this aside right here. Okay, gonna take off this sticker. NFC sensor is located to the center of the dual camera hub. Okay, NFC sensors here. Place your SIM card, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this looks beautiful. As you can see, plain black. Okay, very, very reflective because it's glass. And I really hope you can see this. Can you see the orange accents along the edge? Oh my God, it's beautifully done. It's not too झटाक or anything. If I turn it over, आपको orange बिल्कुल नहीं दिखेगा. And just about here towards the edge, you see the orange. Can you see the orange here? Towards the lower edge and towards the edges right here. Oh my God, that's beautifully done. Exquisite craftsmanship. Really premium looking, really premium. Take a look at the Thunder Purple and the McLaren. Which one do you prefer? Thunder Purple, McLaren, Thunder Purple, 8GB RAM, 10GB RAM, 256, 256. Okay, let's power this up and see what happens. Familiar face animation of the OnePlus phone powering up. Okay, you have another opening animation that says McLaren, and there's this Formula One like grid formation that comes on. As a part of the setup screens, one of the things it says is salute to speed, discover the world of OnePlus and McLaren in augmented reality. That's probably the Easter egg here. Turn on your camera to reveal the secrets hidden in the pages of this book. This is the OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition. Beautiful wallpaper, looks like something going in high speed and a long exposure shot. You go up and the theme is actually orange in color, the papaya orange. That is the highlight color here. And rest of it, the highlights are also in papaya orange, and that's really your phone. So there you have it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. OnePlus 60 का McLaren Edition with the nice papaya orange accents यहाँ पर, and इसके अंदर of course McLaren के wallpapers and theme customization आपको मिल जाएंगे. What do you think about this? 10GB RAM है for the first time in a phone. पता नहीं इतनी ज़्यादा RAM आपको किस चीज़ के लिए चाहिए. 6GB या 8GB RAM पे भी OnePlus 60 पे आप तमाम टास्क्स, तमाम एप्स, PUBG वगैरह सारे वीडियो गेम्स आसानी से बढ़िया तरीके से खेल सकते थे. So 10GB really, if you ask me, is a complete indulgence, almost an overkill, but it is what it is. इसी के साथ Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 है. There is the regular stuff, which is the dual cameras. There's 16 plus 20 megapixel on the back. There's a 20 megapixel on the front. This is a 6.4-inch optical AMOLED display. Along with that, you have FHD plus resolution. You've got a 3700 milliamp hour battery. अब 30 watt charger के साथ OnePlus दावा कर रही है कि सिर्फ 20 मिनट में ये 50% चार्ज आपको दे देगा. That's crazy fast already. But इसी के साथ मैं आपको ये भी याद दिला दूं कि this does not have a dedicated fingerprint biometric sensor. जो fingerprint sensor है वो built in है डिस्प्ले में ही. That was one of the big features on the OnePlus 60. There is no headphone jack. इसमें face unlock तो है, लेकिन इतना ज़्यादा secure नहीं है because of all the hardware that's required to make it really secure, like the Huawei Mate 20 Pro or the Apple iPhone XS, XS Max. There is no weather resistant, so no IP168, no IP167. There's glass back, but there is no wireless charging. I would have really liked to see अगर salute to speed है कि wireless charging इसमें आता. And of course इसकी जो कीमत है फिलहाल हमें पता नहीं है कितनी है, but my guess is it's going to be around the 50,000 rupees mark, which puts it in a very, very premium and high-end phones की कैटेगरी में. राइट नाउ ऑलरेडी OnePlus 60 के आपको कौन से मॉडल्स अवेलेबल है? 6GB 128GB, that's for 37,999. There's 8GB 128GB for 41,999, and the Thunder Purple launched with 8GB 256. That's Thunder Purple is this one, that's 45,999, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Love the matte purple gradient finish that they've given. So आपको क्या लगता है, क्या इतने ज़्यादा पैसे 10GB RAM और McLaren Edition के Salute to Speed Edition के लिए आप खर्च करना पसंद करेंगे, या फिर आप Samsung Galaxy S9 या Note 9 या Google Pixel 3 या दूसरे किसी फोन्स को देखना पसंद करेंगे? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. क्या लगता है आपको OnePlus 60 के ब्रांड न्यू McLaren पार्टनरशिप वाले एडिशन के फोन के बारे में, एंड क्या आप इसके ऊपर इतने पैसे खर्च करेंगे, या फिर आप 37,999 के OnePlus 60 के साथ कंफर्टेबल है, या फिर आप 20,000 रुपए के पोको F1 को खरीदना ज्यादा पसंद करेंगे? Let us know in the comment section. हम आपकी राय सुनना चाहते हैं. And as always, tech2.com पर जाकर आप OnePlus 60 के तमाम फीचर्स के बारे में देख सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं, और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को. तमाम और वीडियोस, गैजेट रिव्यूज, कार रिव्यूज एंड टेक टू टॉक्स के एपिसोड जरूर देखिएगा. दिस गैजेट वाला signing out for now. Thank you so much for watching.